Hi! In this video we're going to see how to use exception management in order to take some control of the errors that can occur in our code. So basically, if the code that we write provokes some kind of error, we can use some kind of structures that allow us to take these errors, take these exceptions, and carry out some operation in order to change some of the behavior depending on this exception. So an exception basically occurs when something goes as is not expected. But there are a lot of exceptions that can occur, and we can use the statement try except in order to control these errors that can occur and take different actions depending on whether or not an exception occurs. So the structure of this try except statement is this one. We define the try block, and inside there are the instructions that can emit some error. And then we use the except statement in order to put those actions that can be executed only in case that the exception occurs. So here we have an example in which inside the try statement there are two instructions. First an input and then a print. Well, we can say, well, this is not a difficult code. We may think that there are not any errors, but of course some errors can occur here. If we introduce a number according to this message, the code goes as expected, so there is not any error that that occurs. But in case that we introduce a number, for example, that is 0, this code causes an error since we are dividing 10 by 0. What is more, if we introduce something that is not a number, another error will occur since we are trying to divide 10 by something that is not a number. So in this case, this code can cause some exceptions, some errors, and the try except management allow us to take these exceptions and carry out some actions. Here you have some of the exceptions that can occur in Python depending on different situations. For example, zero division error, index error, and so on. So when you find an error, you will see the message in the terminal, but if you write the try except statement, these errors can be taken. So in this case, for example, similar to the previous example, if we introduce 0, this will cause this message. And take into account that in this case, the exception that occurs is zero division error. This means we are trying to divide something by 0. So this error occurs. So we can encapsulate this by a try except statement, and take into account that this error occurs, we can carry out different correction actions. So in this case, the try except allows us to execute some code only in case that some exceptions occur. Thanks for watching.